Hello students, this is Mr. Rounds. We're in the chemistry lab at Holy Cross High School, and as I was getting ready to do some other experiment for you to see, I thought, oh hey, let's run through this lighting the Bunsen burner again, only because I know you can do that safely, because you did it a lot. I made sure that you could do that. You got a lot of practice with it. We want to start looking at chemical reactions with that also, okay? Where the CH4, oh, the simplest hydrocarbon, you just saw that recently, is going to combine with oxygen in the air once we heat it up, okay? And then it's going to yield carbon dioxide gas and some water vapor, okay? Like I said, with the burning, it's too hot, it's going to be water vapor. And we'll have CO2, which is in the gas state, given off also. And again, this is introduction to chemical reaction where atoms rearrange, okay? Where the carbon comes apart, bonds with the oxygen, that hydrogen bonds with the oxygen and makes water. So that's what we just want to look at now, okay? So, of course, I'm going to put my safety glasses on. Shallon, you watching this? We're going to put on our safety goggles. Okay. And I have the lab apron on in case anything gets spilled. Gonna make sure all flammables are out of the way. The gas is turned on. And once the handle is close to full blast, you kind of feel that there's a lot of stream. I'm going to turn it back just a little bit. It feels more like it. I can smell the gas coming off. And then, you know, we can't smell methane gas. Okay, I'm taking my hands down, flame is up, bring it to the middle of the barrel, and then up, so my hand is out of the way when it lights. Okay, and I can reach the gas handle. I turn it down just a little bit. I can reach the gas handle, and I can reach the ashtray, without having to reach through the flame. Okay. So after lighting it, we adjust the burner, and that's what I did. And this starts to be, if I take away the oxygen, you see that yellowish flame, and remember the yellow flame is a lot of unburned hydrocarbons. If I open back up and let plenty of air in, then it all gets burnt up. Okay? If I close it off some, we get yellow. So I'm going to open it up as much as I can. We should have the nice inner flame. We have the the tip of the inner triangle should be the hottest part, okay? This is going to be unburned gas right down here. Notice the tip of it doesn't catch on fire, okay? Okay, welcome back. So gas is on, got it adjusted, I think. Hand down, flame to the middle of the barrel and then up. All right, adjusting the flame. So light and adjust the burner off by itself. What I was pointing to before is that the tip of the inner triangle, the tip of it should be the hottest part of the flame. Any yellow is unburned hydrocarbons. This is, in the middle of it is unburned gas, which should be making its way up the tube along with the heat, so I only have a short time to do this. Two hands here. So I'll be able to feel it if it starts to get warm, and then I'm going to be done. So I've got unburnt gas should be coming up this tube, and let's see if I can light this end of it. Let's see if you might see a little bitty, there's a very little bit of flame there. I don't know that you could even see it on the, it shows up on the camera at all. Okay, turn it this way just so that burns a little bit. Can you see it all there? I'm going to put my dark colored sweatshirt in the back of it because that usually holds it up a little bit better. Okay, and it's still there, as you can see. Cool. So unburned hydrocarbons coming up. When we mix it with air, that's when we get the burning taking place. Okay. Well, that was fun. And notice I'm going to take this hot tube. This end should be hot. Hot glass looks cold. If I touch that, look, you don't see any vapor on it. But our senses, we're used to a cool glass in the cabinet, and we pick it up. Okay, so our senses fool us with this. We have to make sure in the lab that we set this hot end. It was just in there. I know it's hot. I'm going to set it on the white hot pad. Okay? So when I'm busy and not thinking right, and I go to pick it up, I'm automatically going to pick it up by here. So that's what we need to do. Okay. So I just wanted you to see me lighting and adjusting the burner. And that's it.